Today I'm going to go over how to change a cabin air filter in this 2021 Hyundai Santa Fe. This is going to be on the driver's side. You'll come here, make sure you grab everything out of the glove box there. Once you clean everything out of the glove box, because that's going to hang on, next we're going to take this little damper off. That's what gives it the nice soft open when you open it. Then you have over here, you have a little peg that you have to undo by flexing, and then it just pops back. You have another one over here. Well, on my previous car, I thought these actually just flexed in, but they have updated the design. This rotates like this and comes out. And the same with over here. This rotates like this. How clever. That's cool. You learn something new every day. And that pops out there. And then that's going to drop down. Then that's where our cabin air filter is. Pinch this together here. I'll pop this out. Now, all cars, the airflow, or most cars, this car, the airflow is down. So when you get an air filter, you want to make sure you have it facing the right way. And you can know that it's down because there's dirt and debris on this side. You can see leaves and stuff. So when sometimes the labeling is confusing on these. If it says airflow, the airflow needs to be going this way. If it says install this way up, then install it that way up. It's confusing, but just know that it's confusing and do the best you can. Yeah, so here's our airflow. So airflow goes this way. All our dirt and debris is on this side. There's a part number. I'll also have a link in the description. I do make commission off of all my links. It helps me create content, but I just want to show you how to do that. I need to go actually buy a new filter right now. But airflow down. Sometimes they say this side up. It gets confusing. But this is also a rectangle, so you have to put it in this way, otherwise it won't fit. Now I'm just rambling. So you can see that label there. If you put it in the wrong way, just flip it around. Otherwise, it won't sit flush there. Then this side goes in first and you clip it into place. So that toe fits into there. That fits into there. And your cabin air filter is replaced. You want to put this back up into place here. Boom. There we go. And then this one, same deal. It just fits into place and then twists and snaps. Then we go over to our little regulator here. Boom, that goes on. Glove box closes. That's how you do a cabin air filter in a Hyundai Santa Fe 2021 4th generation. Thank you. Hopefully this is helpful. We'll see you next time.